Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please switch on your videos.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all doing?
Yes, sir.
We are fine.
Very fine?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Did you see the worksheet answers?
Yes.
Yes. Those who
Yes.
were absent in class, please copy that. Okay. You can take a printout or you can copy that into your rough book or notebook. All right? Yes. Okay. Crispin, what are you thinking about? Nothing. Okay. So shall we start a new chapter today?
Yes.
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 Yes, ma'am.
How many chapters did we complete already? How many?
3.
3. Yes, we completed 3 and we are moving on to the 4th chapter today.
4.
Chapter 4. And do you remember, wait, before that I'll ask a question. This is a fill in the blanks question, okay? When you open a program, file or folder, it appears on your screen in a box or frame called a
Windows.
Window.
Windows.
no, not windows,
Windows.
window, just
Windows.
one window. Yes, correct.
Window.
Window.
Window. So we are going to learn more about this window,
Okay.
this chapter. Okay, that is why the
Okay,
name
ma'am.
of the chapter is Working with Windows. What is it?
Walking with window.
Not walking, it's working. Work.
Working with window.
Working is wrong. Working with Windows.
Working with windows.
Windows. Yes, working with Windows. Windows. Yes, correct. Chapter 4. So shall we write the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Please open your rough books. Open your rough books. Open your rough books. Okay. I hope you can see the screen. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So right. Chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter. Right in the center. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. Working with Windows. Working. W-O-R-K-I-N-G. Working. With what?
Windows.
Window.
Yes.
Windows.
Working with Windows. Working with Windows. Yes, yes, yes.
Windows.
Working with Windows. Done? Yes. And write, yes. Please write a subheading on the left side, okay? This you have to write in the center. Now you have to write on the left side, on the next line, elements of a window. E-L-E-M-E-N-T-S. Elements. Elements of a window. Of a window. What do you mean by elements? Elements of a window means parts of a window, or you can say units or components of a window. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Yes. was
Any doubt?
working with Windows,
Working with Windows. That
meaning
is the name of the chapter. Working with Windows means we need to know how to work with Windows, isn't it? We need to know what are the functions of different buttons, what are the functions of different elements. Then only we can use it, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 In the previous
Ma'am, I
chapter,
wrote.
in the previous chapter, what did we learn about? Files and
Files and folders.
yes,
Files
files
and folders.
we learned how to create a folder, how to delete it, how to rename it, and so on, isn't it?
Rename a folder.
Yes.
Yes. Because of that, we know how to work with files and folders. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So in this chapter, we'll be learning how to use the window. Okay. That's why the heading of the chapter or the title of the chapter is Working with Windows. All right. Have you completed till this?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Now listen here. Everybody listen. Okay. We are going to learn about different elements of a window in this chapter. Okay. But today we are going to learn only 2 sets. The first one that we are going to learn about is called the title bar. Have you heard of title bar?
No.
Not yet. But we are going to learn about it. Title bar. Put one and write. Title bar. Title. Title bar. Title bar. Title. Leave a space and write bar. BAR. Which was the bar present at the bottom of the screen? What was the name for that in the desktop?
Taskbar.
Icon.
Yes, Satik?
Taskbar.
Satik, I heard you say something.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, icon.
no. It's a bar, dear, bar. The long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen is called taskbar. Yes, correct. Taskbar. Just like that, when you open a window, when you open a window or when you open any program, we can see a window, isn't it? That's why we call it a window. A box pops up and that's called a window. Now, on top of the window, you have a bar. Okay, where is the taskbar present? Is it on top or bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom, yes.
Bottom.
But on top, we have a bar. Do you know what it shows?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
my computer taskbar is left.
Left side. Have you changed the settings?
No,
No. Still is there.
it come only the left side.
Okay, might be a different operating system there. Okay. So title bar. Have you heard of the name title or the term title?
No.
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 Nobody
No.
knows what a title means. No?
Heading.
No.
Heading. Yes, it's like a heading, isn't it? Yes, when I introduced you to chapter 4, I told you the title of the chapter or the name of the chapter is Working with Windows, isn't it? Didn't I tell you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Just like that, when you open a window, there'll be a horizontal bar on top of the window. It shows the name of the document. Okay. Listen here, children. It shows the name of the document. Name of the file. Suppose if you are, you have already saved a paint file. A paint. You have drawn something and you have saved it in your name. Suppose there is a file named Rayan, or there is a file named Devananda. Okay. Or maybe there is a file named Vinayak or Siddesh. So what will we do? We have to click on its icon and we'll open that file. Yes,
Then
Satik?
I computer on and I paint it. Then that painting I will take it file.
Yes, yes. And then when we save it and when we close it,
Leon
what do you see?
also.
Yes, Leon
Ma'am,
also. Okay, okay. Now, when I'm opening it, there will be a window that is opening up. Do you agree with me? Yes?
Yes.
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 And on top of that, we'll see the name of the document or name of the file. That is shown in a bar called title bar. What is it called? Title bar.
Title
Yes.
bar.
I'll show you on board. Everybody look at the board.
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Please look at the board. Okay. Now here, let's open a new one. Okay. I'm creating a new folder here. Okay. What do you want me to name it?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Computer.
Okay. Yellow.
Yellow.
I heard yellow first, so I'm naming it as yellow. Okay.
Yellow.
Yes. I'm going to open this. How will you open? Double click on it. Double click on the icon. Yes.
Icon.
I have opened this and now see, can you see a long bar on top of the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And can you see the name of the folder there?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yellow.
Yes.
Yellow.
Yes. What was the name of a folder?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes. See,
Yellow.
yellow. It's already given here. That bar, this long bar that you can see here. Sorry. Yes. This long white bar that you can see here. That is called the
Yes.
title bar.
Title
What is
bar.
it called? Title
Title
bar.
Title
Everybody
bar.
repeat after me. Title bar.
Title bar.
Title. It's not
Title.
title, it's title.
Title.
Title bar. Yes, that's called the title bar. Now, this is with the folder. Now, can we see the same with the file also? Let's see. We'll create a new, what do you call, Microsoft document and see, MS Word document. Okay. Now we'll name this computer. C-O-M, what is the spelling?
C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R.
Yes. Done. I'm opening this.
Shall we review?
Ma'am, I do it in my laptop.
I did it in my laptop. See, on top of the screen, on top of the window, can you see a long bar there?
Yes.
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 Can you see the name
Yes.
of the file?
Yes.
Yes.
Computer.
What is the name?
Computer.
Computer. So there is a long bar on top of every window that shows the what of the file or folder? That shows the name.
Title.
That shows the name. Yes, that's called the title bar. You're right. So shall we write?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Did you understand now what the title bar is?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, dear.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Then a page of white. A page white. That is
Page
white.
white. Yeah, that's because I opened an MS Word document. That is why a page came. Okay, that was a file, a Word file.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll write. Come on, take your book.
Yes.
Title bar. So what does the title bar show us? It shows the name of the program or name of the file or name of the folder. Whatever we are opening, a window will open
Excuse
up.
me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
I'm not well. I home it now. Would I leave?
Okay, okay. Please
Thank
get well
you.
soon. Yes.
Okay.
Title bar. Okay, we'll write. It displays, right? It displays. Displays means it shows. it displays, or you can write shows. Displays or shows the name of the document, NAME, the name of the name of the
Document.
document.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
And now will I have book?
What is it? Your voice is breaking in between.
Ma'am, I'm not well. I cannot
Okay.
take care of books.
Okay. Write it later on. Okay, I'll send the notes in the group. Shows the name of the document, program. You have to put a comma and write program, comma, file, or folder.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
Ma'am,
When
I
you have,
wrote.
when you have completed writing, please read that sentence. Okay, read and study. Don't waste time.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
others also complete. Yes.
Ma'am, I finished.
I completed writing. Vinayak, last class I told you. That's not the way to say. I completed writing.
My work.
Yes. Oh, I completed my work. I completed writing. Anything is okay.
Ma'am, I wrote. Ma'am, I
Yes,
wrote.
dear. Huh? You wrote already. Okay, fine. Please read. Please sit and read. Elements of a window. So this is the first one. Yes, Devananda? I did not hear you.
The first word.
First word.
Yes.
It displays. Is that the one?
Yes.
Yes, it displays. Displays means shows. Okay. So which is the first element of a window that we learned?
Title bar.
Title bar. It's called a title bar.
Title bar.
Called a title bar. It displays or shows the what of the file or folder or program. It
The
shows the
name of the
name. Very good.
document.
Yes, name of the document or program or file or a folder.
Folder. Right.
Yes.
Or folder.
If you are using a game or a paint software, Microsoft Paint, then you can also see the name of that file on top, isn't it? On top of the title bar. Okay, shall we write the next one?
Yes.
Yes. So this was the first element. Now we are going to learn the second set of elements. There are 3 in that. Okay, there are 3 points in that. I'll just write and then after that you can copy. Okay, so that is 2. Now, just tell me if you have heard of this. Minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Have you heard of this?
Yes.
Yes.
The screen top of.
On top of the screen. That's how you say. On top of the
Minimize and maximize and close button.
minimize, maximize, and close button. So write along with me. M-I-N-I, mini-mize. M-I again, then Z-E or Z-E, minimize.
M-I-N-I.
M-I-N-I again, M-I,
My
Then ZE. Minimize, comma.
Minimize.
I'll tell you. Minimize. Then we have
is
maximize.
Z
MAXI. Again, MI. ZE.
MA
Maximize.
X I N I.
Mm.
Ma'am, I finished.
Minimize, maximize, then and close, CLOSE, close buttons, BUTTONS. And minimize will just draw this and keep so that you will find it easy to learn. Minimize will look like a minus sign. Maximize will look like a square box. And close button, what is the symbol for close button?
Circle.
Huh? Circle.
Into.
Button into or X. It's X.
Into.
Yes. Minimize, maximize, and close button.
And maximize is 2 square.
No, maximize is not 2 squares. You might have seen something like this, isn't it, Ryan? Yes? Yes, that is called the restore option. Restore. Okay, I'll tell you how it comes. Just write it.
Ma'am, I finish.
In the place of maximize, listen. In the place of maximize button, we can see restore button at times.
Restore.
Yes, I'll tell you why that happens. Please write first and I can show it on the board. Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote.
I completed. Yes. Good.
Ma'am, I am in computer, so I can see restore down.
Restore down. Right? Restore down. On top, right?
Yes, stop.
On top, yes.
Ma'am, I am also in computer.
I'll tell you why. See, maximize is used to make the screen or make the window bigger to fill the entire screen. Okay, when it is already filled in the screen, you have this restore option to make it smaller. Okay, understood?
Then we click the restore option there. Is maximize.
Yes. Next, when you click restore option, it will become smaller, isn't it? The window will become smaller. And then you will have the maximize option back there to make it bigger, to enlarge it, to enlarge the window. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. And what is the minimize button used for? To hide the window. Hide the window. Okay. Yes, it will go and hide in the taskbar. When you click on the minimize button, it will go, the window will go and hide in the taskbar. Okay. Now, what is the use of the close button?
Full closed.
Yes, closed is wrong.
The
Closed.
app is full closed.
Yes, the app or the program or the file or folder, anything. If you click on the close button, it will get closed.
It's not there in a taskbar.
Yes. It won't be there in the taskbar. If you want to hide it in the taskbar, which one will you click?
Minimize.
Minimize with the minus symbol. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you want to fill the entire screen with that window, which one will you click on? Maximize. If you want to use some other window in the background and you want to see just a small box, just a small window, then you'll click on the restore option. Okay. When you don't want it, you will click on the close button. Clear? Again, we'll see that on the board. Have you completed till this?
Yes.
Yes.
Shall I change the screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, now listen here. Listen carefully, otherwise you'll make a mistake. Please listen. Yes, now I'm going to open this folder named yellow that we created now. Okay, just see. I'm making a double click on this. Now look at the right side on top. Can you see the title bar? Everybody, can you see the title bar?
Yes.
Yes. What is the name of this folder?
Yellow.
Yellow. The title bar shows the name of this folder and it's named yellow. Now on the right side, on the top right side, can you see three symbols? Three buttons? Yes? They are looking like this. They are looking like this. I'll draw it on the board like this. Then we have like this. And then we have this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So tell me, what is this called?
Minimize.
Minimize button. What is this called? I told you that is the restore. What is this called? Close button. That's clear? Yes. Okay. Now let's see what happens when we click on that. I'm going to click on the minimize button. Okay. Shall we do it?
Yes.
I'm going to click on the minimize button. See? Now it's gone. It's present here. It's present on the taskbar. I told you the minimize button will help us to hide that in the taskbar. So it's present here. See? Understood? Did you understand? It's hidden in the taskbar. Now let's open it again. We'll see that. Now when I'm going to touch the restore button, we'll see what happens. Okay. Okay. See? The window became smaller. Understood?
Yes.
You see that? Now let's here. Can you see this button? What is this called?
Minimize.
Maximize. Yes, maximize button helps to enlarge the screen. It helps to enlarge the screen. So I'm making it bigger now. I'm going to click on maximize. See, done. It fills the entire screen now when I click on maximize, isn't it? So when I want to make it smaller again, which one will I click? Restore. When I want to hide it,
Minimize.
minimize. When I want to close it,
Close
close button. Yes, we'll close it now. Okay, it's closed. Understood?
Yes.
Understand? Yes. Okay. So that's it. That's just for today's class. In the coming classes, we'll learn more about this. Okay. Right? Yes. Those who have not completed, please. Those who have not completed, please copy this down fast. Then we'll wind up. Meanwhile, I'll take the attendance. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote it.
I wrote. It is wrong, my dear. Okay, attendance, please. Faster. Archa Tushar.
Absent.
Absent. Abir Shafat.
Absent.
Then Advait S.
Present, ma'am.
Akshay Krishnan.
Present.
Aman Yasir. Aman is absent.
Absent.
Okay. Ameya Shabu.
Present.
Present. Ameya is present. Angelica.
Present, ma'am.
Anushka. Present. Ashik Satyan.
Present.
Abel Binoy.
Present.
Azza Hawa.
Absent.
Absent. Crispin Sabi.
Present.
Yes. Devananda.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Danush Dev. Present.
Present.
Dia Vinu. Yes. Ellen Via.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Evangeline.
Present, ma'am.
Karen.
Present, ma'am.
Harshika. Absent. Jeron. Absent. Joanna Jinto. Joanna Jinto. Absent. Leon Lijo?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Then Maria? Present. Muhammad Ryan? MO?
Ma'am, Maria present.
Yes, MO? MO is present, right?
MU.
No, only MU. Okay. Muhammad Ryan
I'm
is present. Okay. Nakshatra?
Absent.
Then Nivya? Nivya Rose? Absent. Ritwin Dev?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rishan?
Present, ma'am.
Rishan is also present. Then Ryan Manu?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sabika Shirin? Absent. Satik?
Present, ma'am.
Stefania? Siddesh?
Present, ma'am.
Shivada?
Present, ma'am.
Shribala Vipin? Vinayak?
Present, ma'am.
Vrinda? Yadav?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, children. So we'll meet in the next class. Please revise with these portions and come. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.